Well, we're inside one of the air raid shelters in Long Eaton. See, there's an escape hatch. There's Jay Goodwin. Here's Puggy McGee. And that's me. Oh, fucking A. Yeah, this is a World War II air raid shelter. Oh, hello. I'm getting some orbs here, lads.
Yo! Yeah, she is as well. It's getting brown fucking all. No, I'm showing the light. Small one though, isn't it?
Yeah, this probably would have fit about 60 people in back in the day.
Wait, we could do this for easy 24-hour challenge. There you go.
What do you reckon? Everyone, 24-hour challenge, Nate? Yeah?
You won't do it because you're dreaming.
What do you reckon, lads? 24-hour challenge?
Let's do it.
Let's do this shit. Oh shit, that fucking is a bit slippery. Sorry, more good. No.
Wait, I know what to do. What we can do is